Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your PC or laptop has been running slow, full of junk files, or just not performing like it used to, CCleaner is one of the most popular tools to clean and optimize your system. And the good news is you don't have to pay full price. Today I'll share the latest CCleaner coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you can save money right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. CCleaner is trusted by millions of users worldwide for cleaning junk files, boosting speed, managing startup apps, and even providing advanced tools like driver updates and privacy protection. Whether you're using the free version and want to upgrade or going straight for CCleaner Professional or Professional Plus, these codes will get you the best deal. Here are the codes you can try. CCLEAN30. Save 30% off CCleaner Professional. Clean 2025. Flat 25% off annual subscriptions, Optimize 15, extra 15% off site-wide, Boost 20% off Professional Plus bundle. Free month. Get 1 month free with selected multi-device plans. How to redeem. Click the special link in the description. Choose your preferred CCleaner plan. At checkout, paste one of these coupon codes, confirm the discount, and complete your purchase. So don't wait. These CCleaner deals are only available for a limited time, and it's the easiest way to speed up your computer while saving money. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and optimize your PC today. If this video helped you save, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and software tips, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.